Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about doing an unboxing for this package here, and I'm super excited. Can't wait to see what's inside and also show you guys. So keep watching and enjoy. Okay, so let's see what's inside this package. So we have here is a Shimmer Freak masks from Foreo, and we have Make My Day hydrating masks, and then we have something else. Let's open this as well. So this is what was inside UFO tube from Foreo, and I am super excited to try these products. Can't wait to also update you guys how these products work for my skin. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and comment what you think about this video. I will be uploading more videos soon. Take care.